The president of the Uttar Pradesh unit of Congress, Rita Bahuguna Joshi, has been arrested in Ghaziabad, and a portion of her house has been set on fire by BSP supporters after Joshi allegedly made inflammatory speeches in Moradabad district against the UP chief minister.
मायावती जी ने मेरे घर में आग लगवाई, उनके खिलाफ एफआईआर होनी चाहिए, उनके एमएलए और उनके वर्कर्स का अरेस्ट होना चाहिए। लखनऊ में यूपी में जंगल नहीं है, ये जंगल कानून खत्म हो गया।
जब तक मैं नहीं अपनी रिपोर्ट लिखूं, मेरे घर में आग लगी है लखनऊ में, मेरे नौकर गायब है, मेरी 50 साल की मेरी कर्मचारी गायब है, मेरे नौकर की जवान बहू गायब है। पुलिस आपकी मां कह रही है कि जब हम पहुंचे यहाँ कोई नहीं था, और अगर जो आर्सन जिन लोगों ने लूट मार करी।
And for more on that, let's go across to our correspondent Pranshu, who's standing outside Rita Bahuguna's house. Pranshu, let's take a look at how badly her house has been vandalized even as she was arrested. So can you ask your cameraman to show us the extent of the damage?
Well, of course, it has been totally vandalized, I should say, and there were 4 vehicles parked here. If I can just, you can see just behind me, these are the vehicles which were torched by the miscreants yesterday night at around 12. And what is really shocking is that this entire drama unfolded in presence of police officers here. And also the news is coming in that people who came here, among them were also at least a couple of BSP MLAs itself, though they were sitting inside the car itself. Clearly, it's a shocking incident. Also, this is the bungalow here. I am standing here in the portico. Clearly, from this angle, the damage is not very visible on camera here. But let me tell you, the entire rooms here, it may be the guest room, it may be the living room, the entire bungalow, that has been totally vandalized. And clearly, it is one of the shocking cases of political vendetta here. And what is more irony is that the lady who is ruling the state here, she had been under the similar sort of attack in 1995, the state guest house attack, and at that point in time, it was the Samajwadi Party government who has taken on Mayawati. Mayawati has faced this assault on her at the state guest house here, and that lady, who has always said that this sort of political vendetta is not allowed in politics, here we see that people from her own party, they come here, attack UPCC president's residence. The only respite was that Rita Bahuguna Joshi was not inside at the residence itself, but now we have learned here that probably there were a couple of ladies there, probably domestic servants here, who saved themselves by locking themselves in the bathroom here. So clearly it had been a shocking incident all through the night, and really this sort of political vendetta, only resemblance to it was the state guest house episode in 1995.
Okay, Pranshu, we'll come back to you in just a minute. Let's in fact listen into what the IG of Uttar Pradesh had to say on the incident.
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूं, किसी भी व्यक्ति ने अगर किसी बयान के ऊपर आगजनी की है, जो भी व्यक्ति है या कोई और कारण है, उसके विरुद्ध कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। गुंडागर्दी, किसी प्रकार की अराजकता कतई बर्दाश्त नहीं की।
आप यहाँ से आकर वापस क्यों गए? जब आपके सामने मकान जल रहा था।
नहीं, यहाँ पे मैंने कोई मकान नहीं जलते देखा है, आप गलत कह रहे हैं।
यहाँ पर मायावती ने जिलाध्यक्ष होगा किसी आदमी की गैर मौजूदगी में सिर्फ यहाँ पे केवल 2 कर्मचारी मौजूद थे, और चोरी छिपी जिस तरीके से आज अपने एक विधायक को भेज करके मायावती ने यहाँ हमारे आदरणीय उत्तर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष के आवास में जो घिनौनी साजिश किया है, घर जलाने का काम किया है, मैं इसकी जितनी भी निंदा हो सकती है वो निंदा कांग्रेस कमेटी करती है।